So friends, Motorola is gearing up to unveil a new smartphone in the market called the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The brand began teasing the smartphone last month and now it has confirmed that the device will launch soon. Along with that, the brand has also revealed a bunch of key details as well. The brand has confirmed that the Motorola Edge 50 Pro will feature a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor which debuted in November 2023. It features a Cryo 715 Prime core with a clock speed of 2.63 GHz as well as 3 Cryo 715 Gold cores and 4 Cryo 510 Silver cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. This processor comes with Qualcomm Fast Connected 6700 which enables Wi-Fi 6 or 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Furthermore, it will feature a 6.7-inch POLED curved display with a resolution of 1.5K and a refresh rate of 144Hz. This display will boost Pantone validated colors, ensuring a wide color gamut and the accurate rendition of real-world colors, including authentic skin tones. The phone will utilize generative AI-powered theming with wallpapers spanning 15 genres and curated by popular artists. The phone will also use the power of AI for its cameras as Motorola has teased a style sync AI generative theming mode and AI adaptive stabilization for videos. As for hardware, the phone is confirmed to feature a 50 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. On the back, it will feature a f1.4 aperture camera which the brand claims is the widest in its segment. What this means is that the opening of the lens through which light passes to enter the camera will be wider, allowing for more light to enter, making it ideal for taking portrait style shots where only the subject is in focus and the background is blurred. The brand has also confirmed that the device will come with a metallic frame and a silicone-based vegan leather bag. The brand has also confirmed that the device will run on Android 14 out of the box and will getting 3 major Android updates, which means it will have Android OS upgrades until Android 17. The brand has also teased 50-watt wireless fast charging, which it also claims will be the first for its segment. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.